So we're in this car and it's like weird.
We're eating cough drops right now. Yeah, and it's really old and it's like metal. But look down here. Look down here. It's pretty. To me. It's ugly to you, probably. But look, it can echo.
But that's it. But like, listen to the echo right now.
Yeah, and look at the speakers. They're so big.
Hello, everybody. This is my first video, and I'm trying to like show you this car. And yeah, bye.